So Jim, Kootenay Silver, you guys just did a big deal with Aztec Minerals. I mean, this was a property where you just had 35% interest in Cervantes, which has been a great project for them in Mexico. But now you decided to consolidate it all under one umbrella. Can you walk us through, what the logic is here and how this is a benefit for Kootenay?
Yeah, well, Cervantes is a great example of Kootenay's ability to generate new projects through their ongoing grassroots exploration effort, which we have operating pretty much all the time in the background behind our flagship projects. And we're always looking for the next opportunity with that effort, either identifying something brand new or coming across something we can acquire from a third party, particularly privately held. And Cervantes is one of those examples. We staked that quite some time ago. We identified a real nice looking gold system there, picked it up for staking. And as is our business plan, we option these early stage projects out to partners to advance because they're higher risk profile. And we focus our money on our flagship projects. And so Aztec came in on Cervantes, they earned their interest, it became a joint venture. It's a really exciting discovery. We're very optimistic about the upside there. But the thing is a divided ownership among two juniors, 35% for us and 65% for them doesn't move the dial for us, and it doesn't for them either. It makes it more difficult to raise money for the project. So we felt that the best way to get this project moved forward is to consolidate it. And so we came to an agreement to sell our interest to Aztec so they could have 100%. And then in the event that there's a really big gold copper porphyry underseeding the gold zone, then we're retaining a 0.5% NSR for that upside in addition to the stock position.
Yeah, so this is a great deal overall for Kootenay, I thought, because beforehand you only had an interest in the Cervantes property, but Aztec, now that you're the largest shareholder in Aztec, you also gain an interest in their other project, Tombstone, correct? So you're like expanding the number of projects you have exposure to going forward.
Yeah, very good point, Jim. And Tombstone is a pretty interesting property. They've gotten some phenomenal drill results there. And they also have a deep CRD, carbonate replacement deposit type target there. It's the same rocks that host that big Hermosa discovery that Arizona Mining made several years ago. It was sold for, I think, $1.5 billion to South 32. So they've got a bona fide shot at something like that. And now we've got really great exposure to that event as well, eventuality or potential, let's say, as well.
So overall, I think it made a lot of sense logically for both companies to do this, and for Kootenay just to you get more exposure to more projects where you could hit a home run. So I think it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and it's a way it's great for the project and getting it advanced. Good for Aztec. They can consolidate that and raise money more easily, excite the market more easily. And also for us, it's a way of monetizing one of our many assets.
Yeah, and then you can focus more on your flagship projects that you're working on.
Yeah, exactly.